contestant, please put your hands together for Ralph Hoover! What's up? Woo! All right. Yeah, I may be the only guy that you may ever meet or know. You guys know me. It's gone through 2 circumcisions. And still hold on to a big deal. Well, no, that's only because my second circumcision came when I was 15 years old. My brother got pissed off at me and kicked my sister in the chin. Well, man, you think that's back, man. It should have been on my end of it. She had that gap in her teeth. Oh, man. You know, there are several ways that people greet each other. Okay? You got, like, the handshake, the fist bump. You okay? That's the lady. Your lady. You got the fist bump, the handshake, the man hug, the cheek kiss, things like that. You know? But there's a tribe in Central Australia that doesn't do any of that. Okay? They shake penises. No, but seriously, and I can only imagine the way the greeting would go down amongst friends in this scenario. Hey, Dick, what's up? How's it hanging, Harry? Hey, met my bed plenty of time. Trying not to react to his Parkinson's. They don't know. You know, when I started dating again, you know, I had to ask, and you know, every woman that I started dating, I had to ask her one question. One particular question. I had to know what her tampon size is, so I know if I can satisfy her or not. That was a bloody mess. Oh man, how many couples I got out here now? I'll fuck with you. Well, hey, you two go? No? Okay. Okay, when you first met, when you first met your girlfriend's parents, okay, you remember the talk that her dad had with you? I mean, very serious talk. What did you plan on doing with my daughter? Type shit, right? And now, see, I remember that conversation with my ex-girlfriend's father. He's having that conversation with me, and the only thing I can think of in the back of my head is, he touched her nipples. We ended up being together for a long time. It looked like we were going to be together for quite some time more. So I popped the question, okay? And you know, I did it very traditionally. You know, I got down on my knees, got all teary-eyed, and, you know, a little nervous and all. And I said, baby, we've been together for a long time. Why are we still together? But I did pull out a ring, though, and the look on her face when I pulled out the ring was absolutely priceless. And it was even better when I handed her the grenade and ran like hell. She got to this point to where she would think all of this negative stuff about herself, and she'd be looking in the mirror, oh, I'm fat, I'm ugly, blah, blah, right? And she'd look at me and she'd say, is there anything good that you can point out about me to make me feel better? I said, yeah, you've got perfect eyesight. Our anniversary came around, and it got, you know, and she said she wanted something that was shiny and went from 0 to 200 in less than 3 seconds. And I did what any good boyfriend would do. I went out and I bought her a silver scale. Well, there was one day I was sitting on the couch and I was just flipping through the channels, and she comes, sits down next to me. She said, what's on TV? I'm like, dust. Dust. I used to have a supportive girlfriend, though. She wasn't that supportive, but I used to have a supportive girlfriend. It was weird to me that I was naming my jockstrap. Supportive. Okay. But no, she changed her Facebook status to "I got my period" and 28 guys liked it. Oh man. I just got two real quick questions for you, and then I'm getting out of here. If men can get camel toe, is it possible that men can have elephant trunk? And if couples have Valentine's Day and Sweetest Day, mothers have Mother's Day, fathers have Father's Day, why can't single men have Palm Sunday? All right, I'm Ralph Hoover. That's my time.
Right there, contestant Ralph Hoover.